Hello, welcome back to Mad Crypto. Today I'm just going to look at an indicator called the hash ribbons and how we've got a buy signal on it a couple of days ago or a week ago or something like that now. And this is the 10th time this has happened in Bitcoin history. It has always precipitated massive rises in price action, not straight away over time. Since we've had the latest buy signal came on near the end of April, or 25th or 26th, something like that. Right, since we got the most recent one, we have seen something like a 20% rise. Anyways, we have the buy signal on the hash ribbons has been confirmed on all the higher time frames. We see it on the weekly as well. So that's a good confirmation. Everybody in the crypto space did go a bit crazy when we saw it on the 4-hourly and the 12-hourly and the daily. But it's always good to wait till it's confirmed on the higher time frame. So we've got it on the monthly, we've got it on the weekly, the daily, and going down so forth. So this is the 10th time this has happened in Bitcoin history, and we just go over to this picture here. You can see that this down draw, what this basically means is this is the maximum that when we got the buy signal, this is the maximum the price went down before the major gains. So you can see here the largest down draw we had was on January 15th. It went down minus 42%. So you just have that there, 7, 3, 15, 9, 42. So it's not an indication of immediate gains like we have seen this time, but it's just in Bitcoin's history has been an indication of gains to come. This is could coincide heavily with the halving coming up. We do see on the monthly chart, we have the monthly chart here, and I've put on my exponential moving averages. See, a big thing in this was the monthly closing, the monthly chart closing above the 21 exponential, along with the hash ribbons and along with the halving come up. It is like I said, these are just indicators. They're not a guarantee of future price action, but these are some very bullish indicators over the long term. Short term, we could still see some drawbacks, but long term, these are very bullish indicators. That is it for this video. I just wanted to put a video out there about the hash signal. The reason I didn't put it up straight away when it was confirmed is I wanted to see how how price action would play out with the death cross. But now the death cross is not definitely void. I think it is void, but by not definitely I mean it hasn't crossed back into a golden cross yet, but we can see we're getting closer to that. And I think we have voided the death cross, but that'll be confirmed once we see a golden cross. And then we tie the hash ribbons, we try the halving, we tie the price action for setting higher highs on the bigger time frames, the daily, the 2 daily, and then we tie that in with a golden cross. It is very big indicators of higher price action to come in the long term. That is it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for watching Mad Crypto. Thank you.